due to the defendant conduct from the employees dated the 4th of July 2023 as an attempt to offer £150 compensation as derisory and insulting, which is continued abuse in the attempt to close down the litigation case of the claimant, London Borough of Ealing. The defendant have not provided the claimant with the liability views and disclosure in support of a denial from the conduct of the employees named as Dawn Kent-Payne and Natalie Bishop, dated July the 4th, by offering £150 compensation as continued abuse. The defendant, which is London Borough of Ealing, must confirm their position and provide disclosure if liability is denied from the conduct of the two employees, DKP, that means Dawn Kent-Payne, and MB, Natalie Bishop, dated July the 4th, by contacting the tenant without going through its solicitors to offer hush money payment as serious bribe to drop its litigation claim on the housing disrepair against London Borough of Ealing, abused their position under the Fraud Act 2006, amounted to bribery under the Bribery Act of 2010, failed to follow the procedures. The defendant offer of 1250 is being denied due to the unreasonable behavior of the employees dated the 4th of July 2023 as continued abuse as harassment, contrary to the Protection of Harassment Act 1997, carry imprisonment up to 6 months or a fine or both. The defendant must accept liability for the employee's conduct of sending the tenant a text message on the 4th of July as an attempt to bribe him out of his litigation claim without going through his solicitor, committed abuse, bribery, and corruption on the housing disrepair, contrary to the Proceed of Crime Act 2002, Fraud Act 2006, and Bribery Act 2010. The claimant has enclosed evidence attached of the text messages and a letter from the defendant employees in the corrupt schemes to bribe the claimant out of his litigation claim against the local authority to offer him £150 hush money without going through his solicitor, operated being unregulated in the employment, did not follow the procedure by covering up the corruption as a liability. The defendant, which is London Borough of Ealing, must accept liability on the employee's conduct by confirming the decision which took place on the 4th of July 2023, which they have committed a criminal offence under the Bribery Act.